Hey YouTube family. So yeah, welcome back to another video from me. I appreciate you guys coming back to watch these videos. Appreciate the love and all the support. But yeah, let's talk about this new hair color and how it is basically a big fail, how I got my hair to be all black all by accident. I still don't understand why. Like, I can understand why most of it is black, but then there are parts where I expect it to be a better color. Also, the face, I'm testing out some products for a makeup company. I'm actually doing a review video right now, so I have all of their products on my face. So if the face looks a little bit off, it's because I'm trying out new products, but don't worry about that, okay? It's all about the hair. So what had happened was, right, I was itching to color my hair. As you guys know, before, my hair was predominantly black, like not fully black. It was like a light, it was like a washed out black. So it was supposed to be black, but over time, you know, it washes out and dulls down in color. And it had the highlights all over. You know, you guys seen pictures, you know. And I was like, you know what, I want to change for the summer. So I didn't want to go, I've had my hair in the blondes before, and the browns and the coppers. So I wanted to go to the other side. I've never had my hair red or in the red family. So I wanted to go to the red side, but at the same time I didn't want a bright red. So I said, you know what, I'm going to color my hair burgundy. So I went to Walmart. That's probably my first mistake. Let's go to Walmart. And then I picked up this box color here by Revlon. It is the Color Silk Beautiful Color Ammonia Free Deep Burgundy color. The first mistake was going to Walmart. The second mistake was this was the least expensive color that was in the entire section. Like, one of these boxes was about $3 for one box. All the other colors were like $6, $7 and up, but this one was $3. I'm like, $3, you know, I get a few boxes and really color my hair, make sure the color is really saturated. So I guess that was the second mistake, was going for the least expensive product. So I got 5 boxes of this, came home very excited. I decided, you know, I knew it wasn't going to be a bright burgundy. That much I knew, because I wasn't going to lift my hair, I wasn't going to bleach my hair lighter color. I just wanted to see what would happen if I just put the color on the black to see what happened. I've done that before in the past. All the times that I've colored my hair in the past, I never lifted it with bleach per se before. I just put the box color on my hair exactly as it is, wait a few minutes, wait some time, and then wash it out. And that's how I've achieved all of my other colors in the past, including the browns, the blondes, and all the other colors. I tried to do the same thing with this one. So I came home, my 5 boxes, I recorded all on Instagram stories. So if you're not following me there, you're missing out, because I do a lot of stuff at Instagram stories. My nephew came downstairs, he helped me, he was mixing color, shaking it, whatever. And I thought I was gonna get some kind of burgundy-ish color. And I just applied it on my hair as is, no lifting of color, nothing. And then I thought to myself, even if the black parts of my hair didn't take, at least the sections with the highlights, because since they're lighter colored, at least they will take to a burgundy color, and then my hair will be black with burgundy highlights. And I was able to live with that. I said, okay, fine. Even if the rest of my hair don't take, at least the highlights will take, because they're like they are a much lighter color than the black. So I put it all up in there. You know, I was like, yes, me and my nephew were just, you know, coloring my hair. I'm Instagram storying it. We're hyped, we're excited. New hair color, new summer, new hair color, new me, new hair color, who this? You know, all of that stuff. And then after I applied all 5 boxes, I covered my hair with plastic bags. And I just did things around the house. I repotted some plants. I was outside. It was a very warm day. I left it in for about 45 minutes or so. I did a lot of different things. I did not sit under a dryer. That could possibly have been my third mistake. Don't know. I did not sit under a dryer. But anyway, did things for about 45 minutes to an hour. I left the color in. Boom. Rip off the plastic bag now. Look by my ear. Look by my ear again in the mirror. Look by the box. Look by my ear again. And I'm like, why is my hair all black. Everything black, highlight black, root black, end black, regular locks black, everything just black, pan black, pan black, pan black. No burgundy. Well, the little baby hairs at the side right here had a little bit of tint of burgundy to it because of the dye was still in my hair and I didn't wash it out yet. But the actual locks themselves, black, 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 all black, everything. I was like, you know what, that was the point where I knew that it was an epic fail. Like I just knew it was a fail. I contemplated leaving the color in longer, but I didn't because I'm like, it's almost an hour and I really didn't want to damage my locks. So that's another reason why I was just like, you know what, let me just wash it out, call it a fail, and move on. So washed out the hair with the shampoo, make sure I got a really good wash. And the sad thing was, when I'm washing out my hair, as I'm washing it out, I see all the burgundy just going into the drain. Burgundy, 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 all of the burgundy just going down the drain. Like none of it is in my hair, it's all washing out, like just looking at it, and I'm just sad, just looking at all the color just gone. Not in my hair, all down the drain. But then that was it. So that is how my hair is now all black. So if you want your hair to be all black, get the Revlon Color Silk, deep burgundy color, and you have all black locks. Another reason why I had some kind of hope, just a little bit of hope that my hair color might turn out just a little bit burgundy, was because on the side of the box where it gives you the color swatch, I mean, I know I didn't have this bright color hair, but down here it says dark brown or black, and I should still achieve this color. I knew I was gonna get there, like really there, but I thought I was gonna get close. So it clearly says dark brown or black. If my hair was this color, I would get that. Clearly, that was a lie because this is what I got. So it could have been my mistake because I went to Walmart, I got the cheapest box color. I did not lift my locks. And yeah, those could be my mistakes, but at the same time I need to blame somebody, and I might just blame the hair color because at least give me some kind of color to work with, at least on the highlights that I had, my beautiful popping highlights. But it's all good. I'm learning to live with the black. I'm actually loving it. It's, you know, it has grown on me, so I'm back to black. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it for. I still want to venture out into the burgundy, purplish, reddish tone, but we will see for now. So this is my all black everything, all black hair. So this is how I had my hair color fail, and that's it. Hopefully you guys learned from this lesson, and if you want black hair, like I said, pick up deep burgundy. It will all make sense in the end. That's all for now. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you guys are able to laugh at my pain, laugh at the silliness that went down. I will also try to link my Instagram story clips below or after this video some way, so maybe you can see it if I still have it. If I don't, then oh well, you should be following me on Instagram. I'm just saying. But anyway, that's it. So make sure you enjoy your journey, have fun, and have a wonderful day. Bye. Instagram family, so my hair is up in a whole bunch of buns. It's going down. I'm in my husband's bathroom, by the way, and I'm about to dye this hair. I don't know why I feel like dyeing it. It's gonna be like a burgundy purplish color. Exactly. So I have my nephew here. He's helping me mix all the colors because my hand was tired of shaking the bottles. I bought 5 boxes of color. Hopefully that's enough. I think I might need 6 boxes though, but I think 5 boxes should be good. So he's helping me mix. And it's about to happen. So before I start, I just want to let you guys know, pray for me, wish me luck. So that at home DIY hair color. And I'm not bleaching my hair. I'm not lifting the color. I'm just going to put the box on my hair. Whatever color it turns out, that's the color it's going to be. Might not even put it properly. I don't try to give me my phone. Give me my phone. Put it down. Put it down.
I'm recording you.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting a good angle?
I mean, yeah.
Why don't I? So just an update Instagram. I have a bag over my head now. But to be honest, nothing much is happening. Like, I guess because my hair is black, nothing much is happening. So I don't think you're going to see the color. Sorry, but it is a new change. We have black But Instagram, we got a bigger problem. My husband told me, do not use his bathroom, because if I use his bathroom and mess up his walls, he's going to be upset. And now I have paint all over, color all over this man's wall, and he's going to kill me, and he already warned me not to mess up. So, the color is still in my hair. It's been about 30-40 minutes, so I think it's time to wash it out. If it changes color, I'm happy. If not... So people, after 40 minutes... nothing really happened as far as the purple except on my edges, but it made my entire hair black now. So I guess I'm all black. So I basically no longer have my highlights. A part of me wants to just keep it in longer to see if it will ever change, but I really don't want to damage my hair because, I mean, it's been 40 minutes. So this is the update. Not sure if you guys can see, but it's still wet. I just put it in some really big, chunky rope twist, and it's all black, but it's all good. And that's it.